By default, your Galaxy S26 should show notifications on the lock screen the moment you receive messages and other communications, but if it isn't, you might have changed some settings. The good news is that this is usually a minor problem and can be fixed easily, so in this video I will show you how to fix a Galaxy S26 that does not show notifications on the lock screen. A good place to begin is by checking whether Do Not Disturb is turned on. When Do Not Disturb is active, it can hide or silence notifications on the lock screen depending on how it's configured. So to check on this, open Settings, then tap Notifications. Tap Do Not Disturb and check whether it's enabled. If it's on, turn it off and lock your phone for a moment. Then have someone send you a message or notification to see if it now appears on the lock screen. If you need to enable Do Not Disturb, you can keep using it later after adjusting which notifications are allowed. If notifications still aren't showing, the next thing to check is the notification style. Samsung lets you choose how notifications appear, and the brief style may hide information that would otherwise help during troubleshooting. Go back to the notification screen, then tap Notification Pop-up Style. Select Detailed, and leave it enabled while testing. Lock your phone again and send yourself another notification. If notifications start appearing normally, you can decide later whether to keep the detailed style or switch back to brief. Still no luck, the app itself may not be allowed to show notifications. Even if your phone's notification settings are correct, individual apps can have their own notification permissions turned off. Return to the notification screen, then tap App Notifications. Select the app that's having the problem, and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. And just below Sound and Vibration, make sure that the Lock Screen option is selected. Once you've made the changes, lock your phone and check whether new notifications appear. Another setting that's worth checking is notification cards on the lock screen. If this feature is disabled, notifications may not appear the way you expect. To check on this, go back to the notification settings screen and tap Lock Screen. Look for the options that says Cards and make sure it's selected. If everything is configured correctly, you should now see notification cards on the lock screen. If you've made it this far and the issue still hasn't been resolved, resetting your settings is the next step. This restores your system settings to their defaults without deleting your personal files, photos, or apps. Open Settings, then tap General Management. Tap Reset, and choose Reset All Settings. Follow a few on-screen instructions to proceed with the settings reset. Once it's ready, test your lock screen notifications again before changing any settings. Hopefully one of these fixes brought your lock screen notifications back. If it did, be sure to check out the other Galaxy S26 troubleshooting guides on the channel. Thanks for watching.